firststepreading.com.
Hi, this is Heather from firststepreading.com. For today's video, you'll need the August 6th sentence at the end of the video, okay? Other than that, the date is not important. It's just used as an example. So we're going to start with the months of the year. How many months are in a year? There are 12. Can you say them with me? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months in a year. Today we're talking about August. August is in the summer. The summer is the hottest of the 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. After the summer comes the fall. Some people call the fall autumn. The leaves fall off the trees and it starts to cool down. Then it cools down even more for winter because that's our coldest season. And in many places they get snow in the winter. After the winter, it starts to warm up again for the spring. And the leaves come back on the trees and flowers start to bloom. And then it becomes summer again, our warmest season. So these are our 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. And then it starts over again. August is in the summer. Okay, so we are talking about August. So if you have your calendar, I'll show it to you, just erase it. You can take it out now and you can find August and circle it because we're talking about August. August comes after July and before September. So you circle August. Now we're going to figure out what day comes after 5. We do that by counting in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 comes after 5. So this is going to be a 6. But this calendar is in a red, black, black ABB pattern. So let's figure out what color to put here for our pattern. Red, black, black, red, black. What comes next? Black. So I put a 6 in black. Okay, so now if you're doing your calendar, you circle number 6. 6 comes after 5, right? A lot of kids get confused between 6 and 9, but an easy way to remember is 6 comes after 5, right? And before 7. 6 is smaller than 9, comes first. Okay? So, how do I say August 6th? Do I say August 6th? No, I say August 6th. Today is August 6th. I add a TH, 6th. And that's this part of the calendar. Next, we're going to do the days of the week. But first, we're going to talk about our letter of today is O. This week, short vowel O says ah, ah, ah. Long vowel O says O. So short vowel O would be in words like dog, log, right? And long vowel O is in words like bone, home, whole. If it says O, it's a long vowel O. Okay, we're going to sing our 7 days of the week song. You can read the days with me, and if you know the song, sing along. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days in our week. So for this video, today is Thursday. was it yesterday? Today's Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. And today's Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Okay? Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Go back to Thursday to figure out what would be tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, right? Thursday, yesterday's Wednesday. Back to Thursday because that's today. And tomorrow will be Friday. Okay? So that's that paper. Look like that. Thursday, Wednesday, Friday. Now, I look out my window to see the weather where I live, and it's sunny and hot. So if I have my weather graphing, I do the next square up, sunny, and the next square up under hot. My choices are, I look out my window, and if I saw rain, I would say it's rainy. If it was winter and I look out my window and I see snow, I'd say it's snowy. If the leaves are blowing and the branches are swaying, I would say it's windy. If I look out my window and I can't see the sun, I'd say it's cloudy. That describes the weather, so I put one of those. Then I describe the temperature. Hot means I could go swimming. Warm means it's pretty hot but not swimming weather. Cool means pretty cold but not freezing, and cold means freezing. So that's how I say the weather. If someone says, "What's the weather like today?" I'd say, "Oh, it's sunny and hot. Perfect day to play with water, do water play, or go to the beach." I say something that describes the weather and something that describes the temperature. Well, that's our weather. And again, we're talking about August, so the season is summer in August, right? Okay. Now we're going to move on to math. Let me get our math stuff. I'll put away this. Okay, so for math, we're going to start by counting by twos. If you have this, you say the numbers in black. Counting by five, say the numbers in black. If not, say them with me here. They're in green. Twos and fives are in black. We're going to start with twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. That's skip counting by twos. Now we're going to skip count by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Good job. Now we're going to skip count by tens. It's at the very bottom. It's in red. We're going to do it 2 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So for skip counting, please practice that often or you will forget. We have our counting by twos, our counting by fives, and our counting by tens. Do these often. Now let me get out our number lines. This week we're talking about number lines. So first we need to know how to write our numbers in order on the line. We're only going to 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's your first worksheet. There's numbers missing. You have to figure out what's missing, and then you have to write them all in order. That's to practice first. Then, once you understand how a number line works, you do one more. So this one says, mark one more than 4. So I go to 4 on the number line. What's more? This way. What's one more? 5. So in this box, I put a mark. Next question says, mark one more than 2 on the number line. So where's my 2? More. More is bigger. So I go here, and the answer is 3. Then the next worksheet, 1 less. Less is this way. So it says, mark 1 less than 5. So I go find 5, less, this way. Less is 4, so I mark over the 4. Okay? 1 less than 3, I go to 3. 1 less, 2, so I mark on the 2. There's lots of practice for more and less, and lots of practice for making our number lines. So please practice that this week, okay? More, less, and also writing number lines, okay? Now I'm going to take out science. Haley, did you want to come do science? Okay, come. So we're talking about habitats. A habitat is where animals live. It's the environment that they live in. First, we talked about oceans. We made an ocean habitat, a home for the animals that live in the ocean. We put sand, we put seashells. Those are the skeletons on the outside of certain animals that we find at the beach. And I put stickers on paper and I taped it in the back so when I look through, I could even see some of the animals. Then we talked about oceans are salt water, remember? We did the saltwater experiment. Then we talked about deserts. Deserts are areas that get very little rain. So not a lot of plants and not a lot of animals can live there. And most of the animals that live in warm deserts are nocturnal because the sun is so hot during the day, they come out at night. So I put in cactus, because that's a plant you find in the desert because it doesn't need much water. I put cactus stickers. I put my hand in and stuck them in. I put rocks, small little rocks, and sand. And some animals like a tortoise and a snake that would live in a desert. Today we're going to talk about rainforests. Okay? A rainforest is an area the opposite of the desert. It gets a lot of rain. And because it gets a lot of rain, there's a lot of animals and a lot of plants and a lot of tall trees in rainforests. They have actually more than half of all our plants and animals live in the rainforest. It's important because we breathe in oxygen, and the rainforest, all these plants breathe out oxygen. And we breathe out carbon dioxide, and they breathe in carbon dioxide. So we really need each other, right? Some of the animals that live in the rainforest, some of the animals that live in the rainforest are monkeys, gorillas, orangutans, jaguars, sloths, insects, and birds. Those are only some of them. There's a lot of animals in the rainforest and a lot of tall trees. So, Haley wants to do the habitat. Sloths move slow. Sloths move slow. Okay, you can help me with our... Like this? Yeah. They live in trees and they move very slowly. Okay, so here you can look up how to do it. All these worksheets are free online. We also have one of these worksheets for the rainforest where you cut and paste, and this one where you cut and paste all the different habitats and then you glue them in the right habitats. The animals you cut out and put them in the right habitats, either ocean, desert, or rainforest. We're going to start with our experiment. So it says, number 1, put small rocks in your jar. Let's get our stuff. Bless you. We're going to grow a rainforest. So this is optional. This is moss. Okay. There's our small rocks. Pebbles, right. Okay, you can put some in our jar in the bottom. It's going to help soak up some of the water. Do you need this? Not the best scissor, but should be. There we go. Just put some on the layer of the bottom. Okay. It's okay, we'll pick it up later. Got it? Okay, wait, the redirections. Cover the whole bottom in rocks. That's going to soak up all the extra water. Okay, so we covered our bottom in rocks. Now, I'll give you some soil, right? Plants need soil. Bless you. So put soil in our thing. Uh-oh, you need a tissue. I'll wait for you. Go get a tissue. Go get a tissue. Go get a tissue. Okay, let me get you a tissue. Okay, so we have our rocks on the bottom, some soil. Oh, we need our seeds. Bless you again. And you can put your seeds in. Yeah. I have some fake plants to put on top. We're going to pretend they're little bushes. But first, let's put some of this. This is moss. This is optional. You don't really have to have it. I just have it. So we will put some on top. There's two different kinds. We'll put our moss and some of this. Okay, some of this. These are pretend plants. Okay, so we have our rocks on the bottom, soil and seeds, some fake plants just to make it already look kind of like a rainforest. And then we need water. I'm going to pour this water in. We can get more water than that. So our plants will grow. Can you go get some more water?
Okay.
Not the whole thing, just some. So this is, we're going to grow our pretend rainforest in a jar. We're going to even put the top on it. And if we, once every couple weeks, we'll add a little water. And the rocks will help it not get like moldy. So she's going to go get some more water. Just a little bit. So we put rocks on the bottom, dirt or soil, and moss optional on top. Okay, and we put seeds or small plants or both. We put fake plants and seeds, and when we put this on, it will grow. And the last thing we could do, we can tape little pretend animals that we find in the rainforest on the back, like monkeys, jaguars. I have some flowers that I'll tape on so that when you look through it, it looks like a rainforest. So this is our experiment. We're going to grow a rainforest in a jar. Pretend that's a lot, so just a little. Just make sure our seeds got water because we're going to leave the water in there and close it up and put it, what do seeds need to grow? Sun. We have to put it in a sunny spot in the house. Okay? Okay, you can go do that.
Right here on the window?
No, that will fall. It's glass. You can put it there for now.
Okay, here and then move it close.
Careful, that's glass. Okay, so
Leave it on here for now.
we also have oceans, deserts, and rainforest habitats, their homes, and the animals to cut out and glue. We have individual oceans, deserts, and rainforests to cut out and glue. And we had our ocean habitat to make, our desert habitat to make, our ocean experiment with salt water and eggs, and our rainforest in a jar. Okay, that's this week for science. Talking about habitats and animals that live in different habitats. So rainforest gets a lot of water and rain, So it's able to have a lot of different animals and a lot of different plants because it has so many resources. If there's so many plants to eat and so many animals living there, you're going to have a lot, right? It's a healthy, lots of rain, warm climate. And desert has the least amount of plants and animals. And then ocean is a unique environment. These animals live under the water the majority of the time, some of them all the time. Some of them need to come up for air, like dolphins and seals. But those are our 3 habitats we learned about this week. Okay, now we're going to move on to literacy. Move on math.
I'm going to watch this out.
Okay. We're going to sing the vowel song, and then we're going to sing vowel, consonant, vowel. A is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. A is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. E is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. E is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. I is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. I is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. O is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. O is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. U is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. U is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. Those are our vowels, our vowels, our vowels. Those are our vowels, A-E-I-O-U. So these 5 letters are called vowels. Every other letter is called a consonant. So for long vowel words, you'll either see vowel, consonant, vowel, or vowel, another vowel, and a consonant, or a consonant and 2 vowels. So the vowels will either be next to each other or vowel, consonant, vowel. Okay? And let's sing our vowel, consonant, vowel song. Vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel. The first vowel says its name, O. The second vowel says nothing. We're talking about long O. That's why I said the first vowel will say O, and the second vowel will say nothing. Here's our sentence for today. It's one sentence because there's only one period. So first, I'm going to underline my sight words. Has and no. No is underlined because it's a new sight word. Remember, you have to practice these words often. Make flashcards. Watch the sight word videos. You need to remember. No is a new one from book 2, and has is from book 1. Where are you? Has. Okay? So you need to keep practicing book 1 sight words and book 2 sight words. You don't want to forget these. They help you read faster and understand what you're reading better. Okay, now I'm going to circle my phonics words. Moat. And underline my vowels. You can underline your consonants in a different color if you want, or just underline your vowels. The consonants are going to make their sound, and your first vowel is going to say its name, and the second vowel is going to say nothing. Let's start. M-O-T. Moat, has, no, or, more, ape, paper. E-R says paper. So this says, moat has no more paper. So this is the sentence to practice. I'll show you the chapter we're on in the book. We're on this. Tor with a poke. It goes over the or, more, pour, tor, store, and the oak word family, and it has the new word no, and it has a new word get. That will go over tomorrow. Okay? So we're finishing the last story in long vowel O, so you can do all your stories up to here. Watch your long vowel O videos, Watch your vowel song if you want to practice which letters are your vowels. Do your sentence. You can also do your long vowel worksheet. Okay? Worksheets are all for free online. Do your rainforest, your ocean, and your desert cutouts and pasting for the habitats. Do your number lines. And I will see you tomorrow. And I hope you have a great day. Hi, this is Heather from FirstStepReading.com. Please subscribe to our channel on YouTube at First Step Reading. Like us on Facebook at First Step Reading. And follow us on Instagram at www.firststepreading.com. Thank you for watching our videos. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or on our channel. Thank you and have a great day.